guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby and welcome to our YouTube hop for our brand new Stamp and Die of the Month for December and our Box of the Month. I'm also going to showcase our paper pad of the month in this video. This is a hashtag driven hop, so what that means is you'll click on the hashtag N2S Furry Friends 2. Since this is the second hop of the month, you'll hop to each video, leave a comment, like and subscribe, come back to my Rafflecopter link in the description box and enter into the giveaway through there. The giveaway will end on December 14th and I will post the winner on my YouTube community tab on December 15th. You can always click on the Rafflecopter link to see who won. One winner is going to win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. So I've already colored up my images from this cute stamp set. This is called Sweethearts, and this will be your Stamp and Die of the month. So if you're on the Stamp and Die Club of the month, you'll get the coordinating die, which comes on a magnet sheet and also cuts out all the sentiments in the set. So there's 2 bead trails and the die does cut nicely around those. So I love that. I love those little details in the dies. So the sentiments read, just for you, you melt my heart, buzzing by to say hi, hello, sweet, and love. And you can stamp those in the sign if you wish. I'm pulling out the paper pads because this stamp set coordinates very well with the 2 paper pads this month. So we've got a Snow Fantasy paper pad, which has a beautiful color palette and beautiful images that you can cut out. I think the little snowman on the stamp set matches very well with this pattern paper. So you can go back to my previous video if you want to see the paper in full detail. But I did want to show you all the beautiful images that I cut out, where you can just create a card front very easily with them. So we've got a sentiment, let it snow, some latte cups that look very yummy, a little cluster there with a snow globe and some pine cones, this little snowman with the ice skates and sleigh, there's a snow globe, another sentiment, 2 girls on sleighs, and then these 2 I guess you could call them journaling cards or something like that. You can throw them on a card front or use them to write something on the back, whatever comes to mind. Then we've got the paper pad Sweet Love. This one is a Valentine's Day themed paper pad. It's got some really great prints in here, cute little bears and cappuccinos. And there's cutouts in here as well. So I love that Teresa includes those for us so we could create some really quick cards. So there's this bear cluster here of a cupcake, cappuccino, and a envelope. We've got 2 cupcakes, a rose, and then this cute little scene with the bear and a bow. So I was thinking about throwing like maybe the rose or something behind the bear with the flower in the heart or something like that. So let's put together a card. I'm going to go cut these out with the coordinating die and I will come back and show you how they turned out. So when you get your dies, you can just bend them apart or use your wire snips to cut them apart. I like to bend them and then take my wire snips and trim off the little pokey ends. I love how the die cut out this. Oh, I love the trail like that. I would never be able to get in there with my scissors and do that. Look at that. So I am going to have fun. Let's make some cards. I want to incorporate the mini paper doilies from Doodlebug that I have in the shop. I have them in several colors. They're under the section Paper and then Doodlebug. I'm either going to use this Let It Snow from the paper pad or the You Melt My Heart from the stamp set. So I'm going to stamp that out and then see which one I like better. Okay, while I put this together, let's talk about the Stamp and Die of the Month Club and also the Paper Pad Club. When you sign up for the Stamp and Die of the Month Club or the Stamp of the Month Club, you get an 18% discount. You'll see the discount in your shopping cart. You have to choose monthly before you check out in order to join the club. That will get you on the reoccurring order for every 30 days from the date you purchased. The same goes for the Paper Pad Club. You get the 18% off discount when you join the club. So it's a super great deal. For our box of the month, I've already discounted the box, but if you join the club, you get another 5% off. Same thing, you must choose monthly to get the reoccurring orders. And I do apologize, guys, for the shipping delay this month. I am waiting on the fawns in the winter paper pad. So that just arrived. So I just started shipping orders that include that paper pad on Monday. So I'm still working on orders. I'm working really hard to get them all done. So I do apologize for that delay. Okay, so for this card, I do have a thicker border on my card. I'm going to layer up some of these. So I want this one underneath. Do I want to stick it in the center of the card? Like this? Or do I want to stick it off to the side over here? Maybe on this side. But then my sentiment is a little bit awkward going this way. So that's why I want to put it over to this side a little bit. So I'm going to put this one down first. You could still pick up the box of the month. You'll see some samples along the way on this hop. All the products are listed in the description box. I have to decide how high I want this piece to go. I think there's pretty good. So I'm going to pop up my sentiment. And we're just going to place it right here between the head and the body. And I'm going to put a little piece of paper right under there so my sentiment can rest flat. Okay, so now I want to dress this up. Let's see, I have these little clear these might look cute. So I'll put maybe 3 of these. And I have, these have some pink in them. So maybe these little round pink confetti pieces from Cat Scribbiness. In the final touch, I'm going to add some Nuvo Crystal Glaze on the heart. I have an idea what I want to do here, but this panel here, I think I want to put some Distress ink around. So I'm taking out the tea dye. So let me know which one is your favorite. Number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4. I think they turned out all so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the hop. Don't forget to hop along by clicking the hashtag, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.